Are you looking for the best mirror dash cam? In this video we will look at some of the best mirror dash cam on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Togard Backup Camera. Togard Backup Camera for Cars 7 Mirror Dash Cam Touchscreen 1080p Rear View Mirror Camera Front and Rear Dual Lens with Waterproof Reverse In-Camera Parking Assistance. It is now possible to get the best video quality during both day and night, coupled with the versatile wide dynamic range mirror dashboard camera from Togard, featuring a 1080p Full HD front camera and 480p waterproof rear cameras. You can also view video laterally, coupled with its 7-inch IPS touchscreen, which has been accredited for providing a wide visual angle and video quality. On connecting the red wire of the rear cameras with the power positive wire of backup light, the rear camera image along with 4 PCS of night vision lights will switch over automatically to full view mode. Once the reverse gear gets engaged, the parking guideline is displayed by the mirror dash cam to help you with parking in tight spots having insufficient lighting. Both the front and rear cameras get switched on automatically and enter the recording mode when you try to park your car. On detecting a collision, the integrated gravity sensor shall auto-lock all recorded videos. Coupled with such stellar attributes, the mirror dash cam can serve as your ultimate ally, which can guarantee you complete peace of mind while out on the road. It also becomes extremely convenient to toggle between the 5 different view modes with its one-key switching design. You can also use it as a regular rear by turning off the screen display. In stark contrast to traditional physical buttons, it is easy to set up the concise 7-inch sensitive touchscreen. At number 2. Togard Touchscreen Lens Car Camera. Backup Camera for Cars 4.3-inch Mirror Dash Cam 1080p Togard Touchscreen Front and Rear Dual Lens Car Camera with Parking Assistance. Rear View Mirror Camera with Waterproof Rear View Reverse Camera. Add some additional visibility to your vehicle with this versatile mirror dash cam from Togard, which has been crafted by keeping in mind that accidents do not happen with a warning. You can however keep yourself safe from the hefty insurance and lawsuit claims, coupled with the correct footage of the incident, which gets recorded automatically by its gravity sensor in the event of any emergency or collision. The footage stays locked in the SOS file for preventing the same from getting overwritten. Its intuitive touchscreen allows you to switch between the 4 different view modes. It is also possible to use it as a regular rear view mirror by turning on the screen save function. A 32GB micro SD card, that is a Class 10 memory card, is recommended for recording all the roadside as well as car interior footage. You also don't need to worry about storage space crisis, as the seamless loop recording overwrites the oldest footage with the newest one once the memory card gets filled up to a particular capacity. The 170 degrees front and 140 degrees rear mirror can capture video of all the clippings with a stellar resolution of 1280 by 720p and 640 by 480p respectively, so that you never miss out on the minor details. Its parking assists feature can be of great help when you are trying to park your vehicle into tight spots or moving in reverse under limited visibility conditions. At number 3. Promotional OEM Mirror Dash Cam. The Promotional OEM Mirror Dash Cam allows the front and rear cameras to be viewed simultaneously with a 12 rear view mirror equipped with the smart split screen function. It comes with a 32-foot connecting cable that allows it to fit most vehicles with ease. It also provides a small reverse camera that is less likely to get damaged or be in the way when utilizing your vehicle's rear space. A 32GB SD card is included with the device, and the camera can support up to 128GB to ensure you have space for all the media you need. With features such as loop recording, parking monitoring, gravity sensor, parking guidelines, adjustable brightness, view angle, and GPS, this dash cam will support and record everything imaginable. The reverse aid system, Gravity sensor and loop recording are incredibly beneficial, especially to new drivers. The built-in gravity sensor detects a collision immediately and will lock and store video captured during that time to make sure it is not overwritten or lost. A continuous loop feature allows for continuous recording even if the micro SD card is full by overwriting old, unlocked files. The fantastic features compiled with hardy hardware make this a great dash cam for any vehicle, eliminating blind spots and giving you an extensive and crystal clear screen to ensure you are driving safely and able to spot and record any incidences with ease. Place the camera and the mirror dash cam and forget it until you need it. At number 4. iMirror 2.5K Mirror Dash Cam. This iMirror dash cams will capture your surroundings with a crystal clear picture and a total of a 270-degree field of view. With a 130-degree adjustable front camera and a 140-degree rear lens, this dash camera covers blind spots and captures the area around your vehicle with impeccable clarity and detail. Loop recording, a gravity sensor, night vision, Wi-Fi, and a parking monitor and assist are all included in this bundle. The backup camera displays high resolution in real time, and if you choose the function, guidelines will appear when in reverse to guide you safely in or out of a parking spot day and night. The gravity sensor automatically registers when a collision had happened and locks the recordings that happened when the crash occurred. Until you clear that recording, it is locked in the memory and will not be overwritten during the continuous recording loop. A responsive 9.66 IPS touchscreen gives you real-time, no-lag traffic monitoring and an easy-to-use interface. The simple interface ensures that you can access any part of your monitoring system with ease and a fast response time. Built-in Wi-Fi connection allows you to download a smartphone app and not only see the recordings in real time but store the recordings in the app, so they are accessible and stored in the app, giving you cloud connectivity anytime. Meaning even if your rear cam or dash camera gets damaged, the video will be accessible over Wi-Fi. A Starvis sensor created by Sony provides HD recordings and clear night vision. The full 4K video recording captures fast-moving scenes and clear pictures with the best video recording, no matter what speed you are moving or how dark it is. Simply turning off the screen provides you with a standard rear view mirror for those times you need an ordinary driving experience. At number 5, Vantop H612. Vantop H612 2.5K Mirror Dash Cam W/voice control, GPS tracking, IPS full touch screen, waterproof backup rear view camera, loop recording, night vision, parking monitor for cars with the stunning 2.5K Ultra HD video on the front camera and a 1080p Full HD waterproof rear camera. You can catch vivid photos and excellent video resolution on this dash cam bundle. The touchscreen design allows for easy transitions through the interface and options available. Equipped with advanced GPS support and an intelligent escort partner, you can launch easy-to-use, essential operations with voice commands. The advanced GPS also continues to monitor the trajectory, speed, and location, which makes this one of the best dash cams to have in case of an accident. With a 170-degree front camera and a 160-degree field of view for the full HD rear camera, the Vantop H612 has an ultra-wide view, which is incredibly convenient in parking mode. Parking mode assists you in supplementing your field of view and guides you into a parking spot with ease using both front and rear dash cams. The fantastic video quality is also an excellent asset, especially considering that instead of dash cam video, time-lapse photography is also an option. With the ultra-wide-angle lens, dynamic range, and the image quality and video quality of the fantastic frames per second rate, you will be able to enjoy a broad field of view with a video quality that is crystal clear. The rear camera is weatherproof and produces 1080p video resolution. The dashcam video quality, wide dynamic range, low light adaptation, and ease of use make this a top contender for the best dash cam, comparable to big-name brands, without the hefty price tag. If you want to buy this products, check link in this description box.